Today I'm going to recreate one of my most viral YouTube Shorts video, which is the floating leaf effect. I shot this with the X3 and it got 1.9 million views. So today I'm going to recreate it with the satin white Insta360 X5. I need to act fast because the wind is pretty strong today. I've only got one brown leaf, so I need to film this shot before it breaks, and it's already started to crack at the bottom. But first, let's go through, oh, ladybird. Let's go through the accessories I'll be using in this video. So first, ow, it's biting. Whew, it's gone. I'm going to be using the 2-meter Insta360 Selfie Stick. This is brand new. The last version was 150 centimeters. This is now 2 meters with the same close length at about 35 centimeters. I have the X5 in a cage, and this cage I got from AliExpress. I didn't get it from the Insta360 store because the AliExpress version has a cold shoe mount at the top. This allows me to add a cold shoe adapter, which you can find at Insta360.shop, and the link to all the accessories are in the video description, which then allows me to add the Insta360 10 centimeter spacer to create 10 centimeters of space between the leaf and the camera. And using the adjustment ring at the back, I can lock the leaf into place so it doesn't move. So that's the setup. One of the most comments I got from the last video was that I used a green leaf and green leaves do not fall. So this time I'm using a brown leaf. So let's go film the shot. To pick the correct settings, first I am going to choose the correct view on the X5 to look at the leaf so I can check the exposure here. Then I'm going to go to 360 video mode and set the resolution to 8K, set the frame rate to 30 frames per second, and set adaptive tone to off. Then in the exposure settings, I am going to use the standard color profile. I am using manual exposure. I will set the ISO to 100, and then in the shutter speed setting, I will let the camera pick the correct shutter speed in auto mode. Then I will tap manual to lock this in. Then I will go to white balance, let the camera pick the white balance automatically, then tap the M to lock it in. And now all the settings are complete. Okay, so here's the plan. What I'm going to do is extend the selfie stick up into the tree, and a 2-meter selfie stick is perfect for this. I will place the leaf next to a stem so it looks like it just broke off, and then I'll move the selfie stick left and right to make it look like the leaf is swaying in the wind, and land the leaf on a nice patch of grass and hold it there for 2 seconds. You can do this a couple of times, do a couple of shots in one go. So we'll do another one. You can just kind of make variations, maybe different sways, different directions, different pacing, slower, faster. It's a lot of trial and error, testing what works. And then after you've done a couple of shots, I suggest you check the shots in the Insta360 app. Look at the exposure, the framing, see if there's anything you can improve on, and then you can do it again. Make it better. You will never get the shot on the first take. I've learned from other creators that, this can take a very long time. This can take more than 10 takes, 20 takes even. So never assume you're going to get it on the first go. Just keep going. The wind is just too strong. It's ripped the leaf. Well, there's a lesson in that. Always bring backup props just in case this happens. To edit the shot, I will go to the keyframe editor, and at the beginning of the video, I will put the leaf in the middle, and I want to hide this distortion here. So I will drag the leaf down until the distortion is out of the frame. So I will add a keyframe here to save this view. I will move forward 2 seconds in the timeline. I will bring the background into the middle, make sure the horizon is straight, and I want to zoom out slightly to make sure the leaf stays in the frame. So I will add a keyframe here, then I will scroll through the timeline slowly to check the framing, and then at the end of the timeline I will reposition the leaf in the middle and make sure the horizon is straight and add a keyframe. So now when I play this back, this is the result. I'm happy with the result, so to export the video, I will go to Export, Custom Settings, choose the highest resolution, the highest bitrate, and tap Export to Phone. And once the video is exported to your phone, you can then upload it onto social media. So there you go. Now you know how to make your very own floating leaf video. So over to you now. I want to see your floating leaf video, and you can post your floating leaf videos in the Best360 Facebook community, and in about 2 weeks time I'm going to pick the best floating leaf video who will win a Best360 2-meter selfie stick. So if you want to join in, check out the links in the video description.